So what's up with community? I'm hoping you're all fine. Today I'm going to show you how to make white bar transition like Mush in Conquester. So here is the preview of Mush if you have watched his video. You know he's a god-level editor. Maybe this is not as accurate as his transition, but it's at least worthy of trying. I can promise you that you won't waste your time watching my video. One more thing before we start, this is my first time doing a tutorial video. So if there is any particular problem, just let me know in the comments. And if you are new here, please subscribe. So then let's get started, shall we? So first select your clips and adjust where you want the transition. Then add a rectangle and press the 3 dots so make it stretch to composition area. Then make a duplicate of it and adjust both to the beat. Now add 2 keyframes to the first rectangle, one at start and one at the end, and follow my steps and adjust the layer like me. After adjustments, add a curve view you're liking to make it look smooth. I just used a normal curve from the curves present here. Now go to the second rectangle layer and go to Edit Shape and set its E value to 10. Now add keyframes and adjust it like the first rectangle. But this time on the second keyframe, make it all the way up to top and add the same curve. Now go to Effects and add Motion Blur to the second rectangle. If you want, you can tune the blur or even add glow to this layer. Finally, select the first rectangle and group, and mask it with layer which you want to appear with the white bar, and go to Effects and add Saturation and Vibrance to the grouped layer and lower the saturation. It's so simple as this, and now I'll give a taste of what it looks like on an edit. And also the video now just made, so watch it. And tell me your opinion and if it's good or bad. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe as well. So till I'm back with a 1v1, was content, bye bye otakus. And if you don't subscribe, then you are a gay.